Hello, my name's Dean Scott from STREAMLINE Systems, and today I just wanted to talk about this new van system that we've created. This is in one of our largest vans in our forecourt. This is a Peugeot Boxer L3 H2 model, and inside here we have a multi-purpose van system. So on the front we have a Bravo 650 complete with full reverse osmosis and deionized filtration system that's suitable to produce pure water for window cleaning, for high-level window cleaning. Your controls, the operator controls pump 1 and pump 2 are here, along with pole racks, internal pole racks, 100 meters of 8mm hose. You can have 1 or 2 hose reels fixed, mounted on the floor, or free standing. In the back of the van, we have the high pressure washer or a low pressure steam system. This is an FDX hot cube, powered by a diesel Yanmar engine, complete with a diesel burner. This is available to go up to 140 degrees steam at 32 bar pressure. As you can see, the hose reels are mounted in a space-saving way, so we have 100 meters of high pressure twin wire hose and 100 meters of low pressure 12.5 mil hose for filling the tank. We have a lot of other additional accessories, such as the waterproof Line-X floor coating, the poly lining kit for internal walls of the van. Also, you see the shelving storage system. We have the StreamWash hot water sink unit there, along with first aid kits, hand sanitizers, skin safety hand dispensers, along with multiple different options that the operator might wish to choose. We also do accessories such as the Chapter 8 signs on the back doors, along with the amber lights on the roof. So as you can see, we do a vast range of different accessories for your van, whether you're a 1 operator or 2 operator, whether you use window cleaning or high pressure washing, fogging systems, electrical vacuum systems. We do a multiple range of cleaning systems. Why not give us a call, find out how we can meet your needs. We'd love to be able to hear from you. Thank you.